Stiffeners are an important component of structural steel design. They are used to strengthen a steel beam or a column. A dedicated tool for creating stiffeners is now available in the Structural Connection Settings dialog box. Once loaded into your project, it's available from the Type selector. You can then insert stiffeners on the selected steel member by specifying the insertion point. Stiffeners can be moved or copied to a different location along the same beam or to a different one. Because they are parametric components, modifying the section size of the supporting member will automatically adjust the size of the stiffeners accordingly. Like all Revit families, stiffeners have types. This means you can create a library of stiffeners. Simply duplicate an existing type and give it a new name. Here is an example of a half-size stiffener. Its parameters can be quickly configured in the Properties dialog box. The box contains images to help you understand the impact of changes. This new dedicated tool will help you efficiently add stiffeners and create more accurate steel design models.